Hey, so I got the new Lego Creator Set Haunted Mansion. You've got a 3-in-1, which is awesome, but at the same time, it's like, how do you pick? I'm having so much trouble. So you got the big house here, but then you can also build the train with the train station, and the skeleton even has a conductor's hat. And then the other option is that you can build this ship, and it's gonna be tough to choose, but I think I'm gonna build the house, and I'll give you guys a tour once I have it built. So I just got this guy open. I got all the bags all set for me, and I was noticing that the instruction manual for the house is much bigger. So, I mean, I can only assume that that means that the ship or the train will have a whole bunch of pieces left over if you were to choose to build the smaller of the three, you know, between the ship or the train. But with the house, it's much bigger, a lot more pieces that go and a lot more steps, but three different books. All right, just finished bag one. We were able to build the gate, which came with the werewolf and his bone, skeleton with his lantern. There's a lock on the gate, and then we're able to build an angry tree. And the tree's actually pretty detailed. A lot of small pieces went into this guy. Be back with bag two. All right, just finished bag two. It had Frankenstein inside, and we attached our tree to the side of the building so far. Got some windows built in, and it got a table with the extra hats. So the conductor's hat and the pirate's hat, because those go to the ship and train. So those go on the table inside. All right, we'll be back with bag three. All right, we just finished bag three. Bag three had the ghost in it. It also had the woman vampire. We also built another piece here that's also on a pivot so it can swing. It's got a door on the front. Looking inside, we've got some additional art that we've added and a bit of a stoop. All right, so we will be back with bag four. All right, so we just finished bag four, extending a little more onto the structure for the house. Added a graveyard and a pumpkin area here, and then kind of going around the edge to the inside. Everything's mostly on pivots. Still kind of weak right now because, you know, obviously haven't finished. But, yep, we'll get back with bag five. All right, so we just finished bag five. You can see the house is starting to take some shape here. We've got the second level on here now. And you kind of see the back. It's getting some detail with the organ and some candle lights. Pretty excited to use this with like Scooby-Doo figures. We didn't really get to use the Haunted Mansion set from Scooby-Doo, so this is going to be a nice alternative considering that one's a lot more expensive than this one. So we got one more bag. That's only 6 bags for this set, so we got one more bag.